Good morning, students. I still remain yours, Engineer Usman Ali. I will continue from my previous class with C++ programming. Like I promised you in the next class, I will be teaching you the types of number in C++ programming. So let's open the environment of C++ programming. So this is the environment of C++ programming. So like I said, whenever you are asked to write a C++ programming, no matter what you intend to write in C++ programming, the basic ingredient that is supposed to be there, you have to start by writing them. Hash include input output stream using namespace std, int, main, return 0 and everything. So now what I will teach you today is different types of what? Number. Whenever you are to declare any variable in C++ programming, basically we have two types of variable. We have a number that has we have a what number and we have alphabet. Anything that has to do with alphabet, you have to declare it as what? String. Anything that has to do with number, you have to declare it as either int or float. So as far as number is concerned in programming, we have two types of numbers. We have a number with a point and we have a number that doesn't have a point. Let's say, for instance, I have a variable letters A. Let's say, for instance, it has a value equal to, let's say, it, the variable is anything that has to do with ABCD. The Nigeria, we hail, let's say something of this nature, semicolon. The next variable, let's say variable letter B, let's say it has a value, a number 356. So let's say the numbers, the next variable C, it has a value, let's say for instance, negative, let's say 5, 1. So any statement you have to end by putting semicolon. Let's say we have a variable letter D. It has a value, let's say 12.78. Let's say we have another letter, let's say T. It has a value, let's say negative 6.89 semicolon. Let's say we have R. It has a value, for instance, 89 point, let's say it's very, very long. Something of this nature. So let's say I want to print this, all these variable A, B, C, D, T, R. I want to print them out. So for you to print anything, so this is the command you need to write. For you to print anything, this is the command you need to write. You write C out less than, then the variable, which is A, semicolon. But if I want the next sentence to come on the next line, I have to put what? N line. I'm directing the computer. Whatever that is coming after this sentence should come in the next line. C out less than B and I want to tell the computer that the next sentence that is coming should come on the next line. That is, I have to put n line. So next one, C out less than, that is C, variable C less than n line. The essence of putting n line, like I said, I'm directing the computer to allow the next sentence that is coming to appear on the next line. So the next one after C is D, C out less than D less than n line. Next one is T, C out less than T less than n line. Then lastly, the last one is R. So C out less than R, because after R I'm not expecting any number to be displayed. So as such, I don't have to put the n line. I have to just end by putting semicolon. After that, if I run it, instead of the computer to run and give me my result perfectly, it will just give me an error. It will prompt an error. Why? Because the computer will be asking integer. Obviously, this write as what? Int. That is integer, a number that doesn't have a point. The next one, even though it has a negative sign, all what we care, does that number has a point or it doesn't have a point? Once if that number doesn't have a point, point. If the number is not up to is above 8, is above point is more than 7. As such, you have to declare it as what? Double. So by expected to be the value of the sum. Obviously, if you add the decimal point at the end, you will end up having a decimal point. So there is no way you can declare it as int. It must be a decimal point. So as such, I will declare it as what or double. Numbers. The plus can see. So as you can see,